Without being extreme or exaggerating, you could comfortably say 50 years you get out of your shed. Because I haven't seen longer than that, I won't put another date to it.
With over 50 years of experience, we have easily 6,500 sheds and counting, all built across central Victoria and beyond.
It was the early 1980s we became focused on sheds. Yeah, well, we've always stuck with a good solid design for a shed, which is the RHS structural steel design. And it's not just a bolt together Meccano system like a lot of the other sheds are. That means they've got a long lasting product. The customer would be confident that it'll see them out. And they love going around telling all their neighbours about that.
Dad obviously starting the company all those years ago, and I do feel responsible, as taking the business on to carry this legacy forward. What hasn't changed is the quality of the structures we build. Time tells the story, doesn't it, that they stand. At CV Sheds, we've got 3 core values. So it's make it easy. The second one is working together and team accountability. And the other one is always putting the clients first.
Make it easy means we handle it all. Our trained and professional consultants can conduct a site inspection and make sure that we meet all the right requirements to give you the shed of your dreams in as quick turnaround time as possible.
We're a proud Australian company. We obviously want to support the local economy, so we proudly use Australian-made steel.
We do believe it's a superior product for its flexibility as well. It's a stronger, sturdier material than some of the other offerings.
All the wall cladding, the roof cladding, all the rainwater goods, everything is Australian, and they're tested for Australian conditions. Colorbond, they test it rigorously, and we stand by that product.
So that gives us the ability to work to different sizes, different needs, high roof pitches, eaves, custom designs.
And the main important thing is to take the pain away from the client, because we deal with all that headaches, the paperwork, and we do it for the client.
We truly are turnkey at CV Sheds from foundations up. We handle the planning process, building process, working through to fabrication of our structures using our Australian RHS, working through to the build option on your property, all the way to handing you the keys to your new design. The customer journey with CV Sheds would normally start with the client working out amongst themselves and their family what they need. And that's where you work with our experienced professional consultants to come up with your shed design. We have a 3D web designer that you can make the shed of your dreams. That way, you can really see it in real time. We're there to make it easy. The real pain point seems to be in the permit process. So that's where we take the stress out and we handle all the work, be it with local councils, building surveyors, engineering, we handle all that side. Because of the strong RHS steel that we're using, we use Colorbond steel, all Australian steel, all Australian product, they're all fabricated in a workshop. So there are man hours put in to fabricate our shed to make it last a lifetime for you. At the construction stage of a CV Sheds project, we handle everything from the foundations up. Now what that entails, it could be a concrete slab for your project. It could just be a shed built on footings. We handle all, from installing the shed to the final fixtures that are required to give you the completed project of your dreams. The final stage of that, the building surveyor will conduct their final inspection to give us the tick of approval, where we'll walk around with you, show you your shed, present it to you, to then hand you your keys for your new project on your property.
And that's what it's all about. It's about creating a space that it's your go-to, it's your castle.
If you're ready to build the shed of your dreams, then give us a call. We're here to help.